Hello traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel in another episode of Daily Gold Update. And today we are going to analyze gold for possible PPI news momentum. So if you guys are new to my channel and hearing my voice for the first time, just click on the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you guys get notified for all my upcoming videos and get updated for all gold overviews. So without wasting time, let's start with our gold analysis, and we will start it with a daily time frame. So yesterday we were talking about how gold will range here for some time and it will close below the area of 4071, and we have a closing below it. So our next priority was, if we get a sweep of 4111 and the test of this area, it would be a easy short formation for gold. And as we can see, we have a trend line running from top, which is still holding gold to the bottom side here, this trend line, and the another trend line which is running here is this one. So we have these two trend lines right now supporting downtrend. So today we have a bearish view and our target is still first 3958 and second target will be 3885. Now let's find our short opportunity in smaller time frame. So in 4-hour time frame, yesterday we were talking about how gold have broke its 4-hour momentum at this level here. This was the last momentum candle in gold, and we have a momentum break here. After that we were expecting a pullback, minimum to this level and maximum to this order block. After this order block, we were expecting that market can go up and test this area, sweep this high of 4111 and then again drop. So right now we are having a bullish momentum above 4015. So gold is still bullish in 4-hour time frame according to momentum, and if you want to buy gold, it will get buy after the break of high 4042 in 4-hour time frame. After this break, price is likely to sweep the high of 4102, this high. So according to momentum, gold is still bullish. Now let's see smaller time frame momentum. So this was the last 1-hour momentum candle here, this one, and we have a low sweep. After the low sweep, we have tested 4-hour structural area and price did not have close below, so 1-hour momentum is also still bullish. Structure is bearish. We have only one breakout structure in this full rally, which is this one. After that we don't have any valid retracement, so this is the only single wave here. So if we calculate a top, retracement and momentum, price, the one-on-one reaction is coming near 4005. So according to 1 hour, it is still bullish in bigger time frame, but internal 1-hour momentum is bearish. It will shift after the break of 4034. If we have a 1-hour closing above this high, price will start pumping back to high and its first target will be 4046. This one will be our first target. 4062 will be our second target and third target will be 4111. So this is our plan. If we get a closing above and retest here, price can pump again. This is our resistance. Just like yesterday, when price was ranging here, Once price close above, retest it and then it start pumping. Same thing we are having here. This is not a bearish momentum, this is a internal bearish momentum. It can shift if we get a breakout. And just like yesterday, price can pump after breakout and retest. See, this was a bearish momentum, price just break out of it, retest it and started pumping. The same thing can happen here. We have to look for it. Now let's see more smaller time frame, 30-minute time frame. In 30-minute, we have a range, same as yesterday. This is our high and this is our low, which is broken here. So the same candle is our new range. We have a low sweep, we have a high test. So the same area is coming for 30-minute time frame. If we get a breakout of 4034 in 30-minute time frame, it will be a break of momentum in 30-minute too. 15-minute, this is a structural area too. So if we get a 15-minute change of character, it would be much better for gold for a bullish momentum. This is our 15-minute break or structure. If we get a break, retest, price can pump. Otherwise, this is still a bearish zone from where you can short gold. But make sure to use a stop loss here, otherwise price can pump. 1 hour, 30-minute and 4 hour momentum is still bullish. This can be act as a retracement only, so you have to be very careful here. We can still go and sweep this high of 4111. We also have this trend line running here. Sorry, not for here, we are running from here. So price will pump after the break of it. Here. If price drops, it will test bottom trend line, then again pump. So before news, there is no confirmation right now. We have to wait for a break above or a break below for the major confirmation. If you want to short here, make sure to use stop loss just near 4041, but it is really big stop loss right now, so you have to use it somewhere near 35. So we will wait today because I'm still expecting market to bounce here if we don't get a 4 hour momentum break here. If we don't get break below, price can still pump, and just like yesterday, it will sweep this high too. So we have to wait here. If we get a break below and a momentum change, we will short and our stop loss will be 32. If we get break below, we will short it on a retest here, and this will be our short zone. Just like yesterday, I told you once we get a break below this area, it will retest it and drop, and our target will be 46 and 30. These two were our target after the break below and retest. So if you guys got this entry, it is good for you. If you miss this entry, now you have to wait for a new one. Price have already completed its full target. Now we have to wait for a momentum change or a momentum break. Now let's see silver. Silver is near its QML area, just what we talked about yesterday. If we get a proper test here and price shift its momentum, we will start buying, and silver can pump again to the high of 60.733. silver is still bullish. This is your 1 hour momentum candle. We can get a sweep of this low near 57.7, then price can pump, but if we get a break below, then price will retest it and drop. If you want to buy silver, you have to wait for a momentum break above this high, because this is the last candle which is holding low. BTC. Yesterday we talked about BTC that it have flipped this area. Now it will act as support and price will pump. This area acted as support, price pump, have a new breakout structure. So we need sweep of this high, this inducement in 1 day time frame. It is still bearish and we are expecting price to drop more. This is our extreme order block from where price can drop. Oil is still ranging in 30-minute time frame. We don't have any change of character. If I show you the clear structure here, this is the low and we don't have any two candle closing below. One candle close below, second close above, close below, close above. So it is still bullish from here. Structure. After that we have a breakout structure, just a sweep, new breakout structure, and this is just the liquidity. So if this low holds, oil will pump and break above this high, even this high too. If this fails, oil will drop to 76 and pump again. Euro. Yesterday we talked about how it will break this low, retest it and drop. If you get this retest entry, price is already dropping from here, this area. Now once we have break below this low, price will drop more, and target is still this low of 1.137. Same as DXY, we talk about how it will flip this area, retest it and pump. Once it break above, price can pump more. Yesterday everyone was bearish here, and I told you until this area get break, it is still bullish, if you guys remember. Ethereum, no short confirmation, price is breaking above. So if we get a new 4-hour breakout structure and the change of character here, then we can short it. Otherwise this area will act as support. This is daily time frame area which can act as support for Ethereum. It can retest and pump. So that's it for today. We have to wait for news. Current momentum is still bearish. Internal momentum is also bearish. Once this high get break and we have a retest, price can pump, and our target will be 4111 here. So if you guys have any question, you can ask me in chat. I'm coming for your chat. Hello sir, can you ask one question please? क्या बाय एक छोटा सेटअप बन सकता है 4015 से 4052 टीपी तक? यहाँ से एक बाय का सेटअप बनेगा अगर ब्रेक मिलता है ना, वन आवर की कैंडल लगी इसके ऊपर क्लोज हुई ना 4034 के, तो इसके रिटेस्ट पे ही एक बाय की एंट्री बनेगी और टारगेट रहेगा 46 से लेके, पहला 46 रहेगा, बाद में आप ब्रेक इवन कर सकते हो, और उसके बाद अगर प्राइस ऊपर गई तो फिर ये जाएगा 62 और लास्ट टारगेट रहेगा 4111 का। अगर आप बाय करना चाहते हो तो कम से कम इसके ऊपर एक कैंडल क्लोजिंग का वेट करो, कल की तरह ही। Is there a 5-minute change of character presently at the first zone? Yes, we have a 5-minute bullish change of character here. I have already watched it here. We have a change of character and price is testing break a block. That's why I'm still watching for the bullish move. Here it was the last breakout structure. Then we have this one. Price is testing here. It can pump, retest and again pump. We have PPI news today and same as chairman speech. So we will be watching it. And I'm expecting a momentum just like yesterday, a range for some time, break above, retest and pump. So price will range here. If it break below, it will retest and drop. If it break above, it will retest and pump. So this range will be important. Just like yesterday, it will not give you a entry time. So we have to wait for break and retest. That's all we can do here. Want the CPI news change a turn bullish? What we are watching right now, brother, what we are watching right now. Look at the direction. CPI is bullish for gold, but not that kind of ATH bullish. It is bullish to give price enough retracement to the bearish level, but the main structure is still bearish. You cannot buy for swing targets here. It will drop from here. You will see the bearish news coming at this level. You will see this. Trust me, you will see. For buy confirmation, we need 1 hour closing above 4035. Then we can watch for buy opportunity. Right now it is still in retracement mode. We cannot buy in this momentum. Yesterday I told you if you want to buy on retest with a stop loss below. Same thing will happen here. If it break above, you can buy on retest with a stop loss just below it. And you can target this high and above it near 4111. But the major structure is still bearish, so we have to watch for again downside momentum after this sweep. I will try to catch both of the move, a buy from here and short from here. If it drop from here, then we will try to catch this move only. Looking at silver, it is indicating that price will go up, both gold and silver. Please tell about inducement clearly. Yesterday I could not understand it properly. Inducement is the area which will make you to buy before your structural level. This area is started bouncing from this support. You will be like, oh, support have already reached. Now it can pump. So you will buy here with a stop loss just below it. So this area will act as an inducement. This low will be your inducement. you will be get induced, price will test your structural area and then start pumping. Right now this low is still a inducement, price can sweep this. Where is 15-minute? Okay, so here we have inducement, this is our breakout structure and this is our inducement. The zone present before your structural level which will make you buy before your levels, and this is our main structural level, the lowest closing here and this zone. Test here, again pump, no breakout structure, so this low can be sweep again, then again pump. If I can see any other inducement examples, this low is inducement, low present before your structural levels, price can sweep this low of 57.786. Please advise on PPI news, buy or sell. I am watching for a buy if we get a breakout of this upper trend line and close above in 1 hour time frame above this high. And you guys can also recognize this is a falling wedge pattern. This is bullish pattern. Price don't drop like this, a drop and consolidate, drop and consolidate. Price drop like this, a big drop, small consolidate, again a big drop. So this is not a drop. Price need to drop like this. Now calculate this. In 20 hour, we are still not able to break below the low of that CPI news. See, that 1 hour candle is enough for this 20-hour consolidation. So this is still bullish. If price want to drop, it will cover that level in just short of time. Look at this. So many candles, but a small 3 candles are enough to break that low. Only 3 to 4 candle. See, now look at this. One candle was enough, but so many candles are not able to break below its low. So price just test it and again pump. Here it was the same thing. Momentum was bearish in 1 hour time frame. Price break above the last bearish candle, retest it. You can use stop loss just below it and target its high. Same thing, same result. before before PPI price will range here. Maybe before 1 hour we will get a breakout or breakdown. Then after we will watch for buy or sell. This is 4-hour candle. Whichever the candle is strong, the momentum is that side. See, just a sweep and again drop. Right now, bullish momentum from the bottom is stronger. So we have to watch for buy until this low get break. If this low get break, price is free to go downside. Okay, so we have all the update. If you guys have any questions, you can ask, or may I get some my work done. Let me make it simple for you. If we get breakout, retest, this will be the path. So I'm back. You guys don't have any questions or what? Okay, so let's practice some chart today. The chart we have never seen. Let's see crypto. Some crypto coins I used to watch. Theta. Man, what is this? I don't even know from where I have made this area. Okay, so this one. Probably I have made this area somewhere this price for the drop of this near 25 or something. Bearish. Sell, guys. Price doesn't look like sell to me here. If I get a breakout, I will definitely buy. But if I get a breakdown, then I can watch for sell. Right now, it is not sell here. Everyone is watching for sell after watching this full retracement, but they can be wiped out with a single candle just like yesterday. Everyone was watching short, they were wiped out. Same thing can happen here. Just be careful. Look at SpaceX. We predicted downside from 71. It is at 37. Soon you will see theta near 105. Sorry, not theta, SpaceX. One hour clear downtrend. If it break below, retest and it can drop. If it pump, this area is for short. Retest done, price is testing that zone again. If we have two candle closing, it will be bullish. Otherwise, it is still bearish from here. Initial move was nice, but let's see. If we get two candle closing above this, price will start pumping. Two candle closing above this, price will break this high too. This is bigger time frame break of structure level. BTC is still holding. Go trying to break, but remember we need candle closing in 1 hour time frame above 3035. So wait for breakout, and I don't have anything else to offer right now at this place. If you want to short here, your stop loss should be, but it will hit for sure, 4041. Good morning, Mr. Muru. Today a new day. Buy before sell or sell. If this high breaks and we have a closing above 404 4035 in 1 hour time frame, then we will buy. We will buy above this red zone and we will sell below this low. This is range zone, the same range zone as CPI. This was a range zone for CPI, and this is now a range zone for PPI2. Highest probability setup is this area, this one. Do you think we will have the same outcome for the PPI as we did for CPI yesterday? Yes, it is highly possible. What's your view on silver? Silver is already bullish from this QML. It can pump. And gold, we are waiting for this thing. US oil. Oil is still bullish. If we have two candle closing below this, then it will test 76. Otherwise, we can expect more upside till 86. No sound. I was on mute, brother. Our QML area is already tested in silver. So if we get momentum shift here, we can watch for buy till this high again, 59.654. Gold is trying to break above this, but I guess we will get a breakout just somewhere near news. We need breakout retest, then we can buy here. If we get a breakdown and retest, we will short there. And there is nothing to watch in market right now. I'm just giving you overall view according to current structure. So I was on mute. If you don't have anything in market to watch, just sit aside, do your work, and come when you have your all the criteria completed here. So when market break and close above this area, I will watch it. Otherwise, I will wait for breakdown. I am with you on your bets on gold. I think the short from 4130 to 4140 should take us to 3880. Yes, but for that short we need a breakout and retest of 4035. No sound, brother. I cannot talk all time. If you have question, just leave it over here. Whenever I watch it, I will answer you. Even I am human, so I cannot talk all the time. I have already written my conditions here for the buy, so you can watch it. For short, what is the setup? For short, we need breakdown and retest of 4015. Then we can short. Right now, gold is still bullish. Remember this. And I definitely want to buy from gold these areas if we get a breakout and retest, just like yesterday. I'm already in buy since last week. 3960 will add up more today on the break and retest. Since price of PPI is supposed to be in favor of gold. Yes, PPI usually makes a similar move to CPI, which is bullish. So possible the sweep and again drop. What's your view on US gold, US oil? US oil is ranging here. If it break above, you can buy. If it break below, 76 is the zone from where you can buy. 76, you need to watch for it. Otherwise, wait for breakout and retest of this area high. This is not the area where you trade US oil. You have to wait for either this one or this area. But bullish. Mr. Muru, PPI is coming lower since CPI came lower. Yes, it is possible. 100% possible. We are expecting it somewhere near 0.0 percentage. Now let's see what we have. If it comes in below this somewhere negative percentage, then we can expect an extremely bullish move. It need to drop below 0.0 percentage, which is 0.1 will be enough to make gold pump till 4111. Is 4111 sweep is valid for you? Yes, it is still valid for me, because these are internal structures. Main view is still bearish. We are running in bearish trend. Lower low, lower high. So this will be a new lower high. Don't be confused between this main structure and this internal structure. Here, look at this. It was bullish, but from this area, which was the breakout structure, it was still bearish. So same area is this one. Forming a same setup just like yesterday. Not a single percent of change. Small resistance, retesting many times, dropping many times. Here is a small resistance, retesting many times, dropping many times. So you can expect same move. What do you think gold can pump to the point of test and sweep? This is already plotted here, brother. This view is already plotted here. If we get breakout, we will buy. If we don't get breakout, we will watch for the breakdown and retest. But this area is not for short. This is range zone. If this holds, we will see another pump. Just yesterday's same structure. Once breakout, retest of 4035. Your stop loss will be below this 4017 and your target can be 4111. For that, what we need? A 1 hour time frame, break and close above 4035. How similar is this? Slow drop, range, breakout, and pump. Slow drop, range, we just need breakout and retest. Is this CRT because 4 hour candle from yesterday hasn't closed below? Yes. So price can go back to the top and sweep. Yes, exactly. I'm back, guys. So what was your question? No voice. It will not break before, in this 1 hour candle, this high should break. In this 1 hour candle, this high should break. This is the candle which can bring us a breakout. Let's wait. PPI buy or sell? Brother, we are waiting for 4035 breakout. On the retest, we will buy. If we get a bottom red zone breakout, we will sell. 71% people are saying that PPI will be bullish for gold. Wow. As I said, this candle should close above 4035. And how don't you guys have any question in mind that why I'm telling you that this candle should close above? Nobody is having questions. Means everyone is excellent in technical analysis. Nice. My viewers are really smart, I think. Why should the candle close above? If we are buying above, where should be the stop loss and break even at? We are buying here because this is 1 hour structural area, and above this high 1 hour momentum will be bullish again. And I'm saying you to close this candle because in next candle we have news. Okay, yesterday we have the same structure and the candle just before the news close above range. On the news candle it retested and pump. So possibility is high that this candle will break above. On the next candle we get test, and on the test your stop loss should be below this low 4017. Sir, can you check DXY? DXY is bullish from our yesterday's zone. I told you once candle close above, it will retest here and pump back. It is pumping and it have a high potential to break above once we have a closing above. If this area holds and price drop, it will sweep this low again, 100.756. Hey brother, initially you had a sell zone at 4054. Not valid anymore. It is still valid. It is still valid. On the long from here, my first target will be this order block 4050. If it break above, I will hold my long till the target of 4111. This will be my first target, and here I will be setting my stop loss at break even from long. Okay. If DXY is bullish, doesn't that make gold bearish? DXY doesn't directly proportional to gold, brother. You guys have so many misunderstanding about DXY. Let me just show you. Look at this. DXY is majorly made up of Euro, JPY, GBP, CAD and all other currencies. It is showing you strength compared to this all assets, this all currencies. It is not showing you anywhere here that gold. Can you see gold here? No. Candle is going upside. Yes, why that candle? Which one? This one? Because this is a candle before news. Yesterday we have a candle closing above just before the news. And same thing I'm expecting here. Now look at this. After coming back, I just told you that this candle have a potential to break above and close above. Everyone is here for emotional support over technical support. Laugh out loud. Yes. Traders are very lonely breed. The guy who said emotional support over technical support is the funniest guy, but it's real. Yes, it is real. What you guys think? I come online every day. Why I come online every day? I can trade this setup by myself, by isolation, not saying or not posting anywhere on the internet. I can play this setup, but I'm still sharing this. It's probably bullish, right? Yes, it is bullish. And from the beginning of the live, I'm telling you that it is bullish from this area. Now you will see the retest near 4034.2 and then again pump. This candle will close above here just like this. Second candle will test and pump. Gold buy or sell. ये एरो क्या दिखा रहा है भाई आपको? What is this arrow showing you? Buy or sell? In which side this arrow is going? Will this news give very big move? Probability is high. At least to the level of 4051. This level will be tested for at least. Thank you for your valuable time and helping us much, but couldn't control emotional still. We cannot control emotions. We are human beings. We are made for emotions. Emotions which is making you human. You cannot separate it from yourself. You have to accept it. Human mind is capable of doing only 3 emotional traumas a day. So I suggest you, if you want to take trades, and trade is giving you emotional roller coasters. So make sure you do not trade more than 3 trades a day. Even I get emotions, but I know how to handle it. You cannot bypass that, but you can control it. Sir, you are getting blessings of all of us by showing us the correct path. We have come across many analysts and experiences many things. You are very shorted. We love you, sir. Thank you so much. Love you too, brother. Thank you for your kind words. I'm waiting for the retest now. Yes, just like yesterday, retest will be the best entry for the long, and stop loss will be just below here. 17.5 will be your stop loss. Because you are lonely. No, brother, no. I'm not lonely. I live in full family. I come online every day to improve my analysis. If you are trading alone, you will have responsibility of your trades only. But if you are giving trades online, your mind will be alert on every second for the every move. This is how you can increase your accuracy. I come online for myself. Only one trader at a time is good, or splitting lot or holding many trades is better for target. One trade is good. If you want to book in partial, then make parts of it. Maybe I'm wrong, but it seems like today bears gonna roll the market. If this candle close below here, I'm sure that bears will step in the market. But for that also we need to test this area. If this candle does not close above, we will watch for short. Okay, because this is before news candle. If it close above, it will give you a bullish direction. If it close below, it will give you bearish direction. What is the reset price? Retest price is 40 and 334.24. 11 minutes to close this candle. Sir, what time is PPI news? PPI news will come in half an hour. In next candle. Is 6 p.m. or 8:30 p.m.? Bro, you have to watch it for your time zone. According to Indian time zone, it is on next half an hour. What is your prediction about XAUUSD? We are watching for buy if this candle closes above. On CPI, price can pump, and test at least first target 4050, second target will be 4070, and third target will be 4111. Bro, you have a big heart. We know you live help us more. Thank you, brother. Where are you from? I'm from India, brother. Silver should have converted bullish again. Silver is still bearish. Man, what is happening to silver? Just like yesterday, silver is also playing emotional games. If this high is closing somewhere near here, you can buy silver with a stop loss just below 57.70. Gold is bullish. Gold is bullish. This candle is saying something that we have already talked about. Yes, brother, I was asking for which state? Gujarat. I'm from Gujarat. I'm only joking, not lonely. You are the greatest guy sharing your knowledge. We are all grateful. Thank you, brother. Thank you for your kind words. Buy or sell. Wait for this candle to close. If this candle closes above price of 4034.24, it is buy. If it closes below, it is sell. This candle closing will define next move in PPI. Retest should happen before the news. We wait. Yes, retest will happen just before news. This is the same strategy we used yesterday. Break above, close above, retest and pump. Today it should follow same thing. Waiting for this candle closing. 5 minutes to close this candle, and after that in next 30-minute candle there will be news. This is after news, okay? $17p, $70 and 770 pips. So we will wait for closing. After that, this will be our expected positions. This is not fair. This is not fair, guys. 76 people are watching and only 16 likes. Make it equal. Make it equal, otherwise gold will not go by here. Everyone who is watching, kindly click that like button. I'm doing this all free live for all of you guys, so help me with your likes. Just support, guys. भाई 50 लॉट बाय करो क्या? अपना भाई अकाउंट देखो, बाद में बाय करना। अगर आपका अकाउंट 50 लॉट का ये स्टॉप लॉस हैंडल कर सकता है तो फिर आप बाय कर सकते हो। मैं तो कहूँ 100 करो अगर आपका अकाउंट आपको अलाउ करता है, बट योर स्टॉप लॉस शुड बी 1 or 2% of your account. Okay? I have liked it, brother. So can you help me? I have a doubt. Buy or sell? We are watching for buy. Once this candle closes here on the retest, this is my expectation. And these three are my TP. Price is closing above, so wait for retest. On the retest, you can enter in long. Price is officially bullish in 1 hour time frame now. As I said, this candle have a potential to close above. See this? How you can predict a single candle closing by just comparing it with previous analysis. So this candle should test here and again pump. This is our expectation, first priority. Why you guys think that PPI will be decrease or negative? What is the logic? The logic behind is my chart is saying it is bullish. Yesterday it was bullish and CPI was extremely negative. And today I am looking for the same thing here. Chart is saying that PPI news will be in favor of gold. I think PPI will be negative. Let's wait for it. We cannot predict news, but I am expecting it to be negative. I always click the like button as a minute I join every day. The least anyone can do. Thank you, brother. Thank you for your support. And kindly use stop loss below this low. It is very much important. Price should not break below this full zone, otherwise it will be bearish again. Please define entry with stop loss. This will be your entry, this will be your stop loss. This is your target. Somewhere near 35 you can enter in trade. It should go like this. Manage your risk. We have news coming. We are playing according to structure here. This zone test should test and pump again. If price go above before news, then news will be negative, I think. If price tests this area before news and retest again, then scenario will be a little bit change because this is bearish area. This will be my first target. After this, I will be on break even. Stop loss is very big, more than 150 pips. Yes, it is big, but you cannot put stop loss just below this low. If you want to do this, you have to wait for the last minute of news. In 15-minute time frame, we waited for this candle yesterday. In this candle, we have news. Will stop loss hold if we get a new spike? It should hold. It should hold. भाई एंट्री ले लूँ, रीटेस्ट तो होने दो भाई. आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा उतावले होते हो, बहुत ज़्यादा उतावले. रीटेस्ट कहाँ से होगा? अब तो मैं कुछ बोलने ही नहीं वाला, यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा. कभी कभी काफ़ी इरिटेट कर देते हो आप लोग भाई. Even the smallest stop loss is somewhere near 25.8, but it is highly risky. Highly risky. It can be sweep. 25.7. Why you guys think PPI will be decrease or negative? What is the logic? We already have talked about it, brother. This is our just expectation. So make sure you use proper risk management here. We are just following yesterday's price action, same as today. If price want to go up, it will not break this low and again pump. Silver is also bullish. According to this, silver should hold this area, but it is very not so much promising RR here. 3.29. Euro dropping. Euro should drop to this level, 1.13775. The worst thing can happen here is sweep our stop loss and again pump. This is the worst thing which can happen here. If it break and close below this low, we will start shorting. Before that, it is still bullish. भाई यूरो पे बाय की ट्रेड लो या न्यूज़ पे? यूरो में बाय बन ही नहीं रहा, कहाँ से बाय दिख रहा है आपको? यूरो पे बाय नहीं बन रहा, ये यहाँ तक आएगा, नीचे तक 37 तक. सिल्वर और गोल्ड में बाय बन रहा है अभी एक. News is coming in 15 minutes. Will gold rocket bullish buy? We are just watching here. I am risking 0.5% of my equity here. If this stop loss hit, I will lose 0.5% of my equity. Buy stop expectation, bro, please tell. No, I will enter only on retest here. If you want to enter in buy at this level, use same stop loss. Use same stop loss. There is no compromise in this stop loss. Okay, remember this. USD JPY at resistance, it should drop. It will drop after breaking this trend line. And this is full resistance zone. Until it get clear, USD JPY is bearish here. Gold is sell. Go for your analysis, brother. My analysis is saying me that gold is bullish until this low get break. If it breaks, definitely we will go for sell. Okay, we have another confirmation here. We have a 15-minute change of character now. This is our last breakout structure and this is our 15-minute change of character, 2 candle closing above it. So if price drop, maximum drop can happen to 25 and then it can pump again. This is our breaker block. Breaker is already tested, price trying to move up. Let's wait for this test around 34 to 35. This is change of character. And in this full rally, we don't have any change of character in 15-minute time frame. This is the first one. So if this holds, we are bullish. Break and close confirmation on what time frame? 1 hour. For the sell, if you want confirmation, now it need to break this low because 15-minute have a change of character now. Silver pumping from our zone. BTC is directionless. Continue ranging here. High probability is we see a liquidity hunt and again pump. But if we test this area 65,700 again, it will be bearish. This is daily time frame zone. So BTC will be bearish from these areas. Oil and GBP. GBP is still playing out our last week expectation, retest here and pumping. From this area it will be bearish. So we have to wait for this area. At least the liquidity sweep above this high. Oil is bullish. If you get it somewhere near 76, you can buy it. Wait for the 1 hour candle to test this area and close above it. Then you can buy it for the target of 86. Okay, so we have 11 minutes pending for the news and I still have only 38 likes. 100 people watching. Make it equal show me your support by just liking this live stream. We have talked about so much yesterday that after this test, this is the same setup which worked yesterday. Now we are expecting it to work today too. If it doesn't work, no matter, but we can expect same move after same breakout. Give news trade. This is new trade, brother. This is news trade. आपको क्या लगता है बुलिश और बियरिश? हम तो बुलिश है भाई यहाँ से थोड़े, जब तक ये लो ब्रेक नहीं होता हम तो बुलिश है. बस स्पैमिंग मत करो यार, कितना स्पैमिंग करते हो. Are you in long or waiting for the retracement? I have my limit at this area, this retest. We had the same setup here and shorted it. We had the same setup here, long it, we have the same setup here. Now we are again going long. Just look at this, price was bullish, we have a momentum shift, then retest, on the retest we enter for short, and this was our move. And same thing here, momentum is bearish, shifted to bullish, retest and pump. Now we are expecting same thing, momentum was bearish, now it is shifted, it should retest and pump. News coming in 8 minutes. Don't use big lot guys, don't use big lot, and must use stop loss below this low. Okay. Thank you, Trader Muru. Your live trades are very educative. You are welcome, brother. And remember, guys, every pattern have its working percentage. If your pattern having 60% or 70% win rate, you are profitable. Our strategy working here, working same thing here, same thing work here, and same for this area too. So we cannot directly deny it that it is have converted to bullish again. We cannot directly deny it. At least it need to test 4051. Price will at least try to test this area 4051. News is coming in 5 minutes. Do we have any other financial news or not? at 6 a.m. Strike again Iran. No major news about war, so we will wait for this one. We have 4 minutes pending. Expectation is 1.1, and here you can see impact. Actual greater than the forecast is good for currency. Here price is playing sweep. Test this area and pump. What are you doing, gold? Converted into bullish. Okay. We have one more zone here, which is QML. Let me buy now. If you want to buy, stop loss will be same, because this is 15-minute change of character here. So QML is still an option here, somewhere 25 to 22. QML is still an option to pump again. And this is breaker. $42. News in 1 minute. Let's see if this low holds or not. If this holds, we will see a more pump. If this break, we will convert into bearish again. It is closing in bullish momentum. Let's see. Maybe this area will hit before entry. We cannot predict anything now. News is coming. It will all depend on news. Bullish. pending. Okay, this area, as I told you, it will hit before testing this one. 2%, sorry, 0.2%, and this one is minus 3%. As I said, it will come in minus. So it is bullish for gold. Man, it is moving before our entry. Our first zone is already hit. If any rejection comes from here, it will test breaker or QML again. Our silver will be in good profit. Yes, silver is in good profit. Look at this. As I said, this low will act as an inducement. See, low hit and price is pumping. Oil, no move. Euro is bearish from here. It should drop. If it drops from here, then it is good. If it pumps, it will test this zone again. Why oil is not moving? Let it do whatever it want. No two candle closing above, it will sweep this low. Rejected. Bullish. Still bullish. BTC need to test 65,600. Gold is already moving. Can I sell at 54? No, brother, no. Don't sell it. It want to sweep 4111. It want to sweep 4111. If you want to sell here, wait for the candle closing. Then your stop loss will be above 64, but it will be highly risky. Highly risky. News is in favor of gold. News is in favor of gold. Actual greater than the forecast is good for currency. Means we are getting negative, it is bad for currency. And if it is bad for currency, it is good for gold. Wow, good move without retest. Happens sometime, but our bias was right. Let's see if we get retest or not. If we don't get retest, I will prefer short from here. Just yesterday's price action is simply applying over here. Price already at 4051. Yes, it is testing here. Now we need to remove this. Wait for this 1 hour candle to close. If it closes below here, then we will watch for sell. I put a buy stop and made 1000. Very good. Price should sweep 4111 today. Price should sweep. Just wondering about your strategy. It retested few times, 5 minute and 15 minute, but you are waiting for the retest and hour candle. Yes, I am waiting for the hourly candle retest here on the high, because my strategy don't allow me to take a direct entry on the retest. I need hourly candle retest. Euro USD sell. Yes, Euro is sell, but you have to wait for this candle closing. If this candle close below, you can sell it. GBP is quite bullish. USD JPY bearish, as we said. Once this trend line break, it will drop to this low again. Why I am telling you not to short here? Now you guys will understand. Understand, better safe than sorry. Yes. Now tell me, was our bias was accurate or not? Just like yesterday, we just follow same thing here. We did not add any fancy thing. We follow same thing, candle closing and retest and pump. And look at this. Price is already pumping. And it will sweep this area of 4111 for sure. Silver is going good. Our first target is already hit, second target is 4070 and above it price will try to test 4111. Yes sir, perfect. Yes sir, accurate. Did take any trade? My entry did not hit, but I was just happy that I was on right track. Every channel I was selling and I could say 1000% you are the best. Thank you brother, thank you very much. I was already in at 4018 this morning. Was nice to hear confirmation. Very good. If you don't know why we took this long, just watch out our yesterday's live. In that we have talked about that how daily will close below 4071, then the next daily candle will sweep out 4111, and after that how price will drop to 3885 again. So make sure we will be watching for a short after this. Okay, my expectation is still this is just a counter trade. Why are you sure about 4111? There is a 4080 supply also. I am not talking about supply, I am talking about daily time frame structural areas. This one, this high need to be sweep because we have a low sweep and 4-hour momentum break. So now on the 1-hour momentum be bullish again, price need to sweep out the rest pending liquidity. And where is the rest pending liquidity? It is above this daily time frame candle high around 4111, and we have this big supply present here, so its high should be our rejection area from where we will get our new short entry for the target of 3886. No problem, sir. I love your discipline. You never FOMO. Thank you, brother. Did you work out on your strategy yourself, or did you actually learn? As I would love to have the time to learn, but it take work full time too. I have learned structure and this CRT thing, CRT and momentum, both I have figured out by myself. You will not see anyone trading on YouTube live like this. I bet. Nobody will tell you how momentum works in market. So our poll is ended now. And I can say my viewers were right. PPI was bullish. 4140 possible or not? Right now not possible. The maximum we can expect market to test is 4111 and 4121. I'm still watching this 1-hour candle close. If I don't get closing above, I will be looking for short again. Okay. What is 4-hour time frame saying us here? Because my major view is still bearish. This is just a counter trade. Whoever took this silver buy, they can book their first partial here and hold rest trade. It should have hit this target. Now I'm removing my limit because it is worthless now. Can we short euro now? No, brother, you cannot short euro. At least wait for somewhere near 1.4. because it is closing above. I told you if this candle close above, you cannot short it. You have to wait for this area now. It is bullish for now. It will drop a little bit, again pump, and from here you will get a new rejection. Do you think it will continue to pump over 4080? It will continue to pump if we have two candle closing above this high in 1 hour time frame. Price can range here to close two candle, again drop, test this area and pump again. Now forget about all this. We will focus on main structure. Main structure 1 hour time frame, low, lower high, lower low. So we need two candle closing above this area, then our long will be confirmed. Price will drop then a little bit and again pump. Just wait for two candle closing now if you want to long gold again. Nice analysis, brother. Thanks. You're welcome, brother. Thank you, Muru. Best analysis always. Hello, brother Knox. How are you? Super G. Thank you. I'm still bearish. Don't mistake this buy for a trend change. I'm still bearish. I will be bullish for 4380 if I get a two candle closing above this high 4138. Then I will be bullish. Then I will again wait for some retracement, test of this QML area and pump till this 1 hour order block which is pending. Okay. First of all, price need to clear this hurdle. Otherwise, there is a high probability we will see more drop till the area of 3885. Muru always been on good point. Been following you from Twitter. Good stuff. Thank you, brother. Not going to lie, I wanted to buy without limit order because I already saw that the price have tested the 15-minute high and it does not need to drop 4036 again. Go, I already told you, go as per your analysis, brother, because I don't trade like that. If I don't get my entry, I don't trade it. No need to force a trade. You want to see the retest, you will see retest. If we get two candle closing here, you will see that retest again. Your analysis is life saving. Thank you, brother. Will it retrace to 4035 level during NY? It will retrace, but it need to close 2 candle here in 1 hour time frame before that retracement. Otherwise, you cannot buy that retracement again. 1 hour is bearish. It need to change structure here. Then retracement is valid for a buy opportunity. This obviously takes a lot of your time teaching so many and giving ideas, teaching your strategy apart from likes on the channel. How else can someone thank you? But people don't understand this. They are not even liking my stream. 2 candle closing in which time frame? Sir, 1 hour? Yes, 1 hour. Because this is 1 hour structure. We are watching 1 hour. And this is a clear retracement in 1 hour time frame. We have lower low, lower high and lower low. So this is 1 hour retracement. If we have 2 candle closing above, structure will change. Then price can retrace back to this area and again pump. This will be the extreme order block. After this test, price can again pump. So our zone will be still valid. If we have 2 candle closing above, our zone will be still valid. Sir, 4 hour candle closing 1 hour pending. Where do you think it shall close to be bullish till 4100? 4 hour momentum candle will be converted bullish after this candle closing. We have 1 more hour to close this candle. So as per my expectation, what will happen? Price will close to 1 hour candle above here. So it will change 4 hour momentum to bullish again from here, and this area will be the retest zone. From here price can retest and pump again from this area. So better to wait for next 4 hour candle. Your lifetime, I have recently followed you. I am live in mid London session, brother. I will come live every day on mid London session. I have many times marked your level as, and when you say today market should close around this level, it has always closed around that level. Because I don't just predict, I just look at the level. Is it valid for closing or not? Yesterday we were talking about the closing below the level of 4071. Why? Because it was the obvious resistance. Price was above it. If it want to stay bearish, it need to close below. And we are getting close below. It is indicating that price is still bearish. Okay, that's why 4111 is highly expected a rejection level. If we get test of 4111 today, I will still try to short it at the confirmation of 1 hour time frame, and my target will be first 4071. This will be my first target. Second target 3958 and third target will be 3885. I have many time mark. Okay, this is done. Any free course conduct in XAUUSD? You can watch my playlist. I have uploaded a free structure marking on my YouTube. Which broker are you using? I'm using Vantage, brother. Next entry will form after this change of character. So be careful. Don't FOMO. We will get another retracement for the entry. So you guys have any questions, or should we end this session? Because I don't think we will get another entry now. We have to wait for closing and retracement. After closing, we will wait for retracement and then our entry will be good. Thank you, sir. Vantage deposit 50% bonus, right? And other brokers, do you know the best broker? Brother, you can use the broker which is valid in your country, which is providing services in your country. Go for that. What if H1 closes below 4061? If H1 closes below 4061, then price will keep ranging here for some time. And if price started dropping here again, then be careful, these zones will not hold. Price will continue dropping till this low. This time this zone will not hold because 1 hour structure will be intact, bearish, and this will be just a retracement, just like this, a sweep, but two candles are not closing above. Then you can see what is the result. Okay, so this is what we are expecting. If we don't have any two candle closing above, price will start dropping massively. Next buy zone level 4046. If you don't understand which level to buy, just go on the recently broke structure and mark its high. So it is near 4042. So if we have a 4 hour closing above this highs, price can retest here, again pump. At least it need to test this area again, yesterday's high, and I'm expecting 4111 for sure. We keep holding to 4111, right? Yes. Now the main rejection level is tested and our first 1 hour candle will close in 1 minute. Sir, two candle, does it include the one which is closing above level and one more? Yes. This will be the first candle and we need one more candle closing above 4062. Then 1 hour will be bullish. And your first buy zone will be this area, 49 to 46. This will be the second one. Second one will be this one. If we have two candle closing above, start buying from here. Who is still holding our silver long? Just rewind the session. What I have told you about this level, why this level was marked and why our arrow was from here. And look at this, from where silver is pumping after this sweep. We were talking about inducement and I have described this as an inducement. There was a reason behind this sweep. Now 1 hour is bullish in silver. It can retest and pump again. So we have one candle closing above. This candle should also close above. Then the retracement will be a buying opportunity from 4049. So be patient and let market do its thing here. Once it close above, retracement and pump again. And our target is 4111. If this candle close below, watch for any short confirmation. Otherwise, it will keep ranging here to close 2 candle above. But from this area, our 2 target is already done. And we are already up in 350 pips from our analysis. From here, 350 pips. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I guess there is no more questions, so we could end this session over here. Thank you for joining. See you in the next session tomorrow. Until then, keep trading, keep printing. Bye bye guys.